Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I'm making our Salsa Verde chicken bowls for our lunches for the week. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put the chicken in the crock pot, and these are the only ingredients I'm using. So this is 3 chicken breasts that are cut in half, so they're just filleted. And then I have a lime, a thing of salsa verde, and then pepper, salt, and garlic powder. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the crock pot on high for 4 hours. It's probably going to cook about 2.5 hours because it won't take super long since it's on high. And then while that is going, I'm going to prep our rice and get everything ready to assemble the bowls. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so the chicken is done and I just got it all shredded. So next I just need to start assembling the bowls and getting everything else ready to put in our Tupperware. Okay guys, so here's my little setup station here. I've got the chicken in the crock pot, got rice, beans, corn, and then our Tupperware containers. So I'm going to do 4 for my hubby and 4 for myself also. And then these will get closed up, put in the fridge, and ready to go for the week. Have it. That is how I meal prep our lunches pretty much every single week. The only thing I do differently is I'll change up the protein, and that's the great thing about them is that you can change the protein, you can change how you cook the protein. Sometimes I do salsa chicken, which is chicken with like red salsa. Sometimes I do like a barbecue chicken with rice, and like a veggie, like broccoli or something, but you can do a lot of different things, and these are like complete. They're good to go. I'm probably just gonna serve these with a little bag of tortilla chips and a lime, because my husband loves lime juice on his, so he'll get an extra lime. And then whatever other like fruits and a veggie and all that good stuff also. But again, these are super simple. They're going to be good to go for the week. I just pull them out and put them in our lunch each morning, and they don't cost very much. And again, you can customize them to what you like. So as you guys probably noticed, my husband got more beans and less corn, and I got the exact opposite. So I got more corn and less beans, and that's just because those are our taste preferences. So you can tweak the recipes and the bowls to your personal taste. So that is how I meal prep our lunches, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to know how you handle meal prep in your home and what is the most cost-effective and easiest way you found to do that for your family. So definitely let me know in a comment down below. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Have a great day, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us next time. I'll see you soon, friends. Bye-bye.